A problem. I'm no. The tension is a free Cape Accra. Who will my 1 hour at the baby? Who peers are the 1 hour the baby?
More of him. Yeah, but watch you. Was a documentary of how a Galamsey.
Foresight, so what does I mean? Can say, Ebi or more honor, the Almoyan and yet. But me share, near me, see you beat me, will be sick out on funny. So what has I never to want your could be not that? I never know what could not that. I'm on a will be so. Remember, I make us no. I deal with this, and the customers could be my anything. M1 to stand him and who you my interest. Oh, Galamsey, and I'm no Cassa, no call Galamsey, and I'm Kubuye. Nina, come on, mind the main interest about that work. I made them buy fee, to buy his car cramming iron, and my mother better to king. Timo can transact, and I made them the Jumanka crank.
Sana, possible. Former Galamsey Nibia or say enough is enough. Wajai Galamsey no, I started farming. Sana, possible. Is indeed possible. Or say Galamsey, Obako at the batching at the san omu kuomo by him. Or say way no always kind. Way no pray way. Namina ebukuomoso. The job is risky. Adumani is risky. And we are senior high school. But na a day. Sikani ho out but was so. And also Galamsey I said here. Fear be a more colabone and I be do. Drug using, tramadol, a home energy drink, a home konyaba. For that reason, with any slightest provocation, you was a kind. On your home. You report it because already omono illegal for that. Aya Galamsey no ye. Na obeda ko report it. Enti eku ho a yakun free. Amina bugu so a announcer adwuma na wo ye no. Aban force nti. Wo ga kire wan. Wo. And you also obeti say Galamsey ase amanfo ye sacrifice amanfo moja e dey pay good. Because God no epe moja. And with that mentality, and yes, so and one day, I call Galamsey ase, or Sabebe do the chrome, I say, now me credit me. I've gotten enough money, kakra, and also more so there, but met me just starting me a business. Then, or young go getting. Nipana na oye Galamsey. I say assassin. Or say they be repentance. Say Mahama edin go getting yaba. And then oye go getting from Galamsey to Nkoko getting. He has earned his illegal mining activities. I know still a bit as well. And this story have two sides. To what the TME. Story way have two sides. One is telling you some of them are there because of unemployment. Some are there because of poverty. Some are there because of lack of opportunities. Now, I know a justification. No. But there's a reason why poor communities are indulged in little crimes. Crimes that come with aggression. As Gafondia, we are zeros and on the count. By a day, if you are the kind, a true, near drugs, near ripping.
Welcome to Fedes Plus. I remember some time ago we came here to cover your poultry farm, and people got interested. They really wanted us to come here to make another video because they were more enthused about the education that you gave to them, because a lot of people want to start their poultry farm business, but they don't get the right info. But for you, you gave a vivid information out there that they needed you to continue for them. That is why we are here today. What really inspired you to enter into poultry farm business?
Yeah, Mr. Fred. First of all, I will say thank you for the opportunity given to me. And the issue is my English is not all that smooth.
No
So
problem.
you are
can
going
mess
to
it.
blend it with she so that your viewers can understand.
Okay.
I thank you for the opportunity given to me, and I'm very glad for the first time that you came here, looking at the feedback that people gave us. Say like our video, they are much interested, and they want us to continue the education. So, Mr. Fred, I also welcome you once again,
Thank you.
and I would like to continue what I said the last time, and give your viewers what they should supposed to know, the do's and the don'ts in poultry industry.
Okay.
Thank you.
So someone will ask why a young man like you did not go for government job or other things, but rather decided to invest in poultry farm business.
Mr. Fred, looking at things, you know, as I grown up, I completed SS. That was 2013 at Bole Senior High School.
Okay.
So when I was schooling, I found things difficult. Even how to get, in the northern region, they have something called free education. For them, their free education started way long back. So for us, when we were in the school, getting to, let's say, 1 year for us to complete, they realized that we are sadness. So they brought us school fees. So that we don't to pay. You those that you are from south, that you are coming to school at the north, you should pay school fees.
Wow.
So and you to like they brought, let's say, the two parts, they combined the first year and the second year school fees. So at that time it was 2,000 or so. So I just sat down and said, as at this money, I will not get and pay. So I just sit and we finished the exams and we came home. So when our paper came, I like to pay the school fees before you go for the paper. And I said, because of this money I should pay, I will not go to school again. So I decided that, and through that, I be in the system working up and down, up and down, up and down. So I went to Galamsey at the first place.
Oh, so you are part of those people destroying our water bodies.
No, I went to Galamsey. So when I came back, I realized that how people are working how they work there. No, I'm not much interested. Okay. So I bought what they call Abuboya tricycle.
Wait, you said you were not interested about how they were working at the Galamsey
there.
Because
looking at it at that place, they say no mercy for the cripple. If you go there, like no man's land. And one thing I've realized under the Galamsey, there is in the crime, like you and in the community, any criminal in my country not say Galamsey as you go. I question phobia, aquabon no and the kushi.
Okay.
So what I say, will be not like when it's ready to be not like a be up foresight. So what I mean, can say a be on one more, the Almoyan and yet. But me share near me see you beat me will be sick out on funny. So what I said, I bet you would be not that. I bet no could not have I'm on a will be so. Remember, I make us no. I deal with this, and customers could be my anything. M1 to stand him and who you my interest. Oh, Galamsey, and I'm no Cassa, no call Galamsey, Nam Kubuye. Nina can't mind the main interest about that work. I made them buy fee, to buy his car, Cramina, and my mother told to King. Timo token transaction, and I made them a year, Jumanka, crank, until there was a time. We'll be catching them, say, men fan and Nema, and free by being the Emra. Until me fan them on a freaking tampukum, a could drew. Your friend is saying, sight, baby, now, Obiso catch them, say, men fan and prequadian in the day, and Conco. Enti me nipa na kai ne obeje na me fa enti me kodura na menya interest adwuma na nipa na ye no me na bi a me den be ye
na o pese uhu how dangerous Galamsey etia to boase Galamsey operator chire yen wasanya adadi o my scientific video more of him. Yeah, but watch you. Was a made documentary of how a Galamsey.
Oh, cool.
He's a boy. Everybody has to see.
A problem? I'm hurry. The tendency to say free a Cape Accra. Who will my 1 hour at the baby? Who peers are the 1 hour the baby? What you go now? No. Enough for more. Oh, God, the 1 hour the become. Who peer the 1 hour the baby? You think? As of free a crack of Kumasi. So the other came she now caught. For the home of a coffee and now caught. But do now what TV said yes, she a. In so back at 27 ago. I see ya. You ain't a kind scanner to the man. Now what was a musro, I just get through. We charge the watty. Winning the echo. Wouldn't be a schedule. I am on training and go GBY. The idea for me, I'm in here and I go fire the other. What kind of cray?
But this is to confirm. Abrantena, what Galam say, I am conking kitchen. This is to confirm the risk. These guys are taking. The risk involved in Galamsey. I keep on saying this. Say, the now alternative, don't do it. I mean, don't go be a motu. Or say, I mean, I'm going to say from Kumasi to Accra. Now, Uber Wuram, one day, no, you buy. I'm saying, what? What? Now, Nimo to Fompo, a month for who ever pit him. Now, with the properties, you know. Now, wow, they are so on the second. Shove on the pickers. How do you survive it? How are you going to survive it? Hey. So, Mugo, you be watching. Risk now, or say taking. And you let me come. Ghana for say you shoot to kill. Young Kumano. The activities you are involving yourself into. Ekum. Ana moa muse kumu. Mo wa mo se kan. Mo tum hundro. So why is that? Why will you do that? Why will you want to work at a place you declare criminal? Na esawo danger. Na say pet na nkuwa wadan fubekum. Why? Why all the risk? Na most for antiwa. Ghana for every video edi watem. So every day you are an enemy to the pit, enemy to the same Galamseyers. You are enemy to Naimus. We are enemy to the courts. We are enemy to the state. And yet, you are not afraid. Jesus Christ. You crash me. I do a party and para me. So when go and get you man. So way any the last worker and para me. Why? But Galamsey anyway there. Also was Accra. From Galamsey now to Ungogo Ngete. Can they all do the same thing? Can Omina Ometima the same thing now? And now say more government intervention. Amra. na ensevi Galamsey for no every ho ensevi land your water bodies and the forest for comment no to comment section na say worry no subscribe like na share monia enya bi ehwe edino eba akopɛ Maxi Billian our naked truth or Oldboga trends macro bye bye.